Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Life with Nwarinma. If you're new, you're welcome. If you've been there, you're welcome. Thank you for supporting me. Thanks for tuning in. Please do me a favor and hit the subscribe button. Then turn your notification on so you'll be notified whenever I upload my new video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to cook Nigerian jollof rice. Let's get started. The ingredients you will need are rice, crayfish, Romano pepper, red bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomato, onion, seasoning, chicken, salt, tomato puree, and bay leaves. I start off by blending my tomato, various pepper, and onion. I blend until the mixture is smooth. While it is blending, you can see in the background that I'm parboiling my chicken with onion and seasoning. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Next, I pour oil into a pan and 1 chopped onion. I fry until transparent. I add my tomato puree and stir until it's no longer lumpy. This process removes the bitterness of the uncooked puree. Once I'm satisfied, I add in my tomato and pepper mixture and stir. I cover and leave for 10 minutes on a low heat. I add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 nut cubes, and 1 Maggi. Then I added a tablespoon of salt, blended crayfish, and my chicken stock. I blended my crayfish with a little bit of ginger and garlic. I stir in well and cover for about 5 minutes. Then I added my bay leaves and my rice. I added about 4 to 5 cups of rice. You can add more rice depending on what you want. To avoid the rice being soggy, make sure you wash until the starch is removed. I stir well, then cover with clean foil. This allows the rice to absorb excess water. I lower my heat and leave to cook for 20 minutes. The rice is almost done. As you can see, it has absorbed most of the liquid, but not all. I stir and cover it again for another 20 minutes. My Nigerian jollof rice is done and ready to serve, guys. Who is hungry? This is the finishing product, guys. Thank you for staying till the end. Like this video, subscribe, then tell me which recipe you want me to cook for you next. Bye bye. See you soon.